What's up, everybody? You're watching another airSlate video guide with the next tip on how no-code automation can make your day-to-day document workflows paperless and stress-free.
Do you still rely on a manual approach while handling quotes and creating invoices? Running mission-critical operations manually results in major delays and unhappy customers. On top of that, manual methods have proven themselves to be more expensive and time-consuming in the long run, while introducing the risk of duplicating payments, incurring past-due charges, and introducing bad data. Change how you handle operations by transforming your most critical procurement processes into fully automated document workflows with airSlate's no-code automation. Let's take a look at how airSlate does the heavy lifting so that you can focus on your goals, not manual tasks. Use airSlate's no-code bots to automate routine manual tasks in any document workflow. To do so, in your airSlate account, create a new flow or select the template or version you want to work with. From the Documents tab, select the type of document you need and start customizing it by adding the basic elements to it. From the Workflow tab, add steps to your flow, assign access permissions, and based on what you want to automate, add bots to the steps. To find which bots best suit your workflow needs, click Add Bot to Step. Based on their functionality, bots are divided into 4 categories: automation, data movement, integration, and permissions. Pick the bot you need, click Install Bot, go through the bot settings, and click Apply Setup. Let's see what else you can do with airSlate. First of all, there are 2 ways of automating your document workflows. You can either build your flow from scratch by clicking the Create New Flow button, or choose one of the pre-built flow templates. Browse the flow template collection from your dashboard and pick the one that meets your needs. Then, set up your specific documents, workflows, and bots. You start by adding or creating documents and web forms in your workflow. You can create them from scratch or upload documents from your computer or cloud storage. Customize the docs any way you want. Add fillable or signature fields, assign recipients to them, and make fields mandatory or optional, and more. Next, visualize your workflow. Drag and drop steps and name each one based on the role or responsibilities of those who will complete it. Manage document recipients, assign fields or entire documents to them, and add conditions for the step execution if necessary. Add branches if you need to send documents simultaneously to several recipients. Finally, automate your workflow by adding no-code bots. Use the bots to send reminders and notifications, pre-fill documents, transfer data, upload records to your CRM, and much more. If you want to use the flow more than once, you can make it a template. Just choose the Save As Template option when configuring your workflow. Once you set up your workflow, click Send so that the documents are completed by the right people. You can also send the documents via SMS, email, or create a shareable link to add them to your website. After your documents have been sent, use the airSlate dashboard to track their completion and all of the changes in your workflow. For example, you can see the status of your flow by opening the All Flows tab. Depending upon your role in the workspace and flow access permissions, you may have different options available. For example, you can download, send, and remove a specific document. View the bots log to check if the bots added to the workflow ran successfully, and if not, check the reason for failure. If you have any trouble using airSlate, go to the support portal or get help from our support team. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Want to try airSlate for free? Just click the link in the description and begin streamlining your processes right now.